Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are present: SQL Workbench/J and a compatible Java runtime. Once done, add the JDBC driver. This lets Workbench speak to your database. Next, create a new connection profile and enter host, port, database, username, and password. Do not skip testing the connection. You do this now so later steps act on a real session. If the test fails, check driver compatibility and the network. You will save time by fixing those first. Once connected, open SQL Commander or the Schemas panel to begin exploration. Run a simple command like show databases or query information schema. Schemata to list available databases because GUI listings can differ by driver. Then switch to the desired database with use database name or set the default in the connection. After that, expand the schema tree to reveal tables, views, and procedures. This is where you inspect structure and sizes. Make sure to refresh the schema list if objects were recently created by others. You finish by inspecting data and definitions. Right-click a table to select rows, or run select asterisk from table limit 100 to preview contents quickly. To understand structure, view the DDL using Show Create Table or the GUI Create Table dialog. This explains keys and types. Once satisfied, save queries and export results if needed. If something goes wrong, check the JDBC driver version, credentials, and firewall or port blocks. Correcting those common causes usually restores access immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.